How to unlock Snapchat account. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to take you through a step-by-step method on how you can unlock your Snapchat account. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up Google Chrome. Now here you're just going to search for Snapchat support and open up the first link help.snapchat.com, and from here you will have to tap on my account is compromised. Go ahead and tap on it. And if you see anything related to this, you can just go ahead and tap on these drop downs. You can also submit a request regarding your account that has been locked, or what you can do is go back, scroll down, and you'll find this managing account, and here it says my account is locked. Go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see here, Snapchat account can be locked for a variety of reasons. Now, if you are having trouble here, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on this login page, and you want to head over to the Snapchat portal. Now from here, if you tap on the search bar, you'll see this delete my account. And from here, just head over to the account portal. Tap on the Snapchat account portal. And once you log in, you will be directly taken here. Now, if your account is locked, under this change my password, you'll have an option to unlock your account. Just tap on unlock account and you should be able to unlock your account. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.